Okay, so here's a quick little install video on how to install the PIRAS Motorsport brake cooling ducts. Great little piece of kit, and it's a super simple, quick and easy install. I'm currently doing it on a lift, however you really do not need one in order to do this. Get this nice little pamphlet inside the box, and with a quick little instruction manual from a QR code, so it's easy peasy. The nice decals or decals, however you want to call it, in the package. And so first things first, all you need to do is you take the cable ties. I already have one installed, but you wrap them in through the easy loops, making sure that you have this end here going in last, or you're not threading that through. Make sure it's on the top. You want to have this little clip piece that will help support it at the back of the control arm. In first, made that mistake the first time I did it, so kind of fun, but nonetheless it's super easy. Thread that through, and then you will go ahead and bring that over. Now it's easily labeled with right and left, so it makes life simple, and that's just going to go right onto here. So the final product is just like so. I'm just going to grab a light so everybody can see a little better. But that's the final product. It looks nice and slick. You just wrap them around. You have a little bit of positioning in order to get it out of the way in the right position. It's already notched out, so it sort of fits right onto that control arm super easily. And like I said, you just get that little piece above the cable ties there in that position, and life is grand. So once you have your cable ties wrapped around that brake cooling duct, just like so, you're going to bring it to your lower control arm here and pop her on just like so. Sorry, I'm having to do this all one-handed, so it makes it extra fun, but it just goes to show how easy this is. So you get that lined up. It sort of nicely notches in to where it needs to lie. It's been super well thought out. I can't stress enough how great this is. So then the next piece of the puzzle is just to make sure that you get that little this little piece right here in around the back and level, and strap it in. So I'm going to go ahead and get one done, and I'll come back to you. Okay, so as you can see, sorry for the light, I've just got these, let me grab this light here. He's got these cable ties done up, and to this point here, you just want to try and keep it as even as possible, but a really simple install process. So the next thing you want to do is just start working it towards getting it tightened down, keeping it even the entire way, and life is easy. Just a little finished product there. So yeah, you just trim off the excess cable tie, and you're good to go. So nice and easy, quick and simple. Doesn't take very long. You can easily do this on the ground. Obviously it's always easier with a lift, but that's okay. You don't need it. Nice thing about these phenomenal little brake cooling ducts that will help you on the track or just in your everyday life.